Singh from My Solutions. And this is a desktop visualizer which is also called as a visual presenter. This function basically used for the document scanner. And if you just put down the paper, suppose I am just putting this paper into this, so it will do into a big screen. And if we're just talking about, here's the arm light, two arm light you will get. And these are the functions where you can see these are the functions which can be used. You can see you just need to download this software. I have display into the panel also. You can see the software is displayed. When you turn on the software, then you can see right now just suppose I am putting a piece of paper into the visualizer. So you can see the display showing into the panel also. And this is the head by which you can control the capture of the image. This is a 8 megapixel of CMOS lens. And right now we are moving into this ports part. So basically you will get an option of tele, which is a zooming option. You can zoom in from this into the 22x optical zoom. And this is a wide option which will do the image wide. This is a brightness option by which you can just increase the brightness of the image. Dull option, you can decrease down the brightness. The same thing you can do with the software part. Moving into the software again, this is the pen option where you can just do the annotation. 3 types of pen you will get. And this is the shape option which can be drawn. This is a fill shape option. This is the erase option. The all part will be erased. And here you will get the option of zooming. The physical button I have already showed to you. We are going to the normal and doing it autofocus. It has been set to the autofocus. Now you can see it will be auto detected the subject which is written over it. This is the setting option by which you can just optical lens can be controlled. After that, one more setting option you will get where you can just adjust the brightness into this. You can see the brightness is adjusting. And this is the contrast option. You can increase the contrast also. You can set the camera, UVC camera, HP camera and Omen camera. After that you can set into the 1:1 ratio. It will be auto detected the 1:1 ratio option. You can also do it as normal page. And here you can see you can rotate it also into the 270 degree without rotating the physical page. You can rotate it through the software one. You can change the angle also into the 270, 360. I'm changing without moving the page. And here's the recording part option. You will also get a inbuilt mic with this. Suppose I'm just talking about the features, the lenses 1.4 and 2.6. So I'm just ending the video right now. You can see it is showing the open file. You can listen. The audio is also recorded into this. The part which I am telling. After that, another mode you will get with this document scan. Document scan is a different types of mode which you can see already similar to the physical booth. You can see we have put the paper already and you can see here you will get the option of near by which the brightness will be increased, and this is the far option by which you can just decrease the brightness. You can see and you can control it through the software also. And here again you will get the option of rotation You can rotate it 270, zoom it. Here's the option of save parameter. By time you can save, by date folder, by barcode, by QR code, and anything you can save. And this is the option of print, by which the JPG will be saved. You can see now I'm playing the JPG. You can see the image is saved as per the real-time quality. You can adjust the frame also. This is normal. You can adjust from this adjustment, like I'm adjusting the position of this, and after that you will get the option of document, by which the file will be saved into the PDF format. Again, moving on to the multi PDF option, by which you can add multiple PDF at a time. Like suppose I have added one page is entered into the screen, and we are just moving the page like this, shifting, and we have added down the page. You can see the second page is added, and we are clicking into the finish option. You can see we have clicked the PDF is saved. Now you can review the PDF and open, delete, and print preview can be done. Here you will get the same option like UAC camera and HP camera, and resolution you can also set into the 4K and 1920 1080p also. You can set the file type into the JPG, BMP, and PDF and BMP also. You can see this, the color you can also set into the color gray binary. And here the option of, again you will get the option of brightness, by which you can shift the brightness, adjust it. Suppose we are increasing the brightness right now, so nothing is visible because the brightness has been increased. We are decreasing it to the normal. You can also do it as an auto exposure, by which the lamps will not be detected, the arm light will be turned off into the screen. We have just turned off. Here you can see, if I just set into the default, you can see it has been set into the default option, and the quality is also maintained. And after that, here you will get the option of image compare, by which there is a two types of image compare. Suppose I am just clicking into this camera button, you just shoot down the area, so this image has been shot of the page. And now moving into the second part, if I just click down and change the direction of the page, now I shoot down, exit. Now you can compare both the images side by side, and you can do multiple image compare, like it is showing above the screen. And again you can use this type of options like annotation options side by side into the single screen at a time. So basically this is the final work of the software has been completed, and now moving into the desktop part. So you can see there are some switches, as you can see, and this is the power button, and the other sports here you can see the, suppose like auto lamp brightness and brightness up. You can use it with the software part and with the. So right now we are just increasing the brightness. You can see the brightness is being increasing, and the output you can see into the screen, so much brightness increasing. You can also lower the brightness of the page by clicking into the button or the visualizer. Here is a tally option. I'm clicking and you can see the zooming option. It is zooming, and you can see the quality is also stabilizing this. We are decreasing the white into the white. Now you can see it is covering the whole page on the screen, and if I just click onto the auto button, so it will be gone to the autofocus option. It will be redirect the page autofocus. Here's the lamp option. If you just click, the brightness will be increased right now, and if you just click, the backlight will be on, and if you again click, so the backlight will be gone and the arm light will be on. And moving on to the rotate one, by which you can rotate the page into the 270 degree from 90. There is the freeze option. If you just click into the freeze option, if you just moving the paper, it will not move. So right now I'm showing you one more feature with the node, and if I just put down the node into the visualizer like this, there is the option of negative which you will get with the visualizer. If I suppose click into the negative, you can see the particles, the small things of the nodes. I'm just doing it tally. You can see the small things can be noticeable. You can do the zooming part also. The small designs which are made into the node, you can recognize that. This is the zooming. And after that, we are just doing it wide again. Wide one. We are removing the negative part of option now, and we are moving into the lens part. So basically, you can adjust by controlling the adjustment. This is a normal view, you can see this is the zooming. This is a normal zoom. The whole part is showing. Now the text option is basically used for the OCR. If you just click onto the text option, the subject which is written over the note or the page, it will be auto extracted from the PDF. So basically, if we just talk about the head of this, so this head can be rotated into the 270 degrees. Suppose I am rotating, and on the screen you can see it is showing that I am rotating into the 270 degree. I am going back. And the lens which is used into this visualizer is a CMOS lens. You can see. And moving on to this object, this is the increasing and decreasing of the image. So this is the image adjustment option by which you can do it manually also. Suppose I'm just increasing the image size, you can see the image size increasing, and I'm decreasing, the size is also decreasing side by side. So basically with this desktop visualizer, you will get many ports like HDMI in, HDMI out, audio in for the audio input, and this is the RGB in, RGB out, and RGB out to audio out, and this touch cable which you need to connect with the laptop for the display. And this is the power adapter which you need to give the power. Talking about the accessories which you will get with this desktop visualizer. So first of all, you will get a remote by which you can control the functions which I have showed to you, and after that you will get a VGA cable. You can see one VG cable, and this is the HDMI cable you will get, and this is the guarantee certificate by which you can take the warranty claim of the product, and this is the CD in which the software is included and the manual is also included. So basically in the document visualizer you will get an option of putting the remote into the visualizer. Like I'm just clicking into the push option, you can see the remote is already put, and you can see the remote is here, and we can again put down the remote and close this box. So this is the final detail of this product, and thanks for watching this video.